the Curious Cat. Are you ready to go on a fun adventure and count from 1 to 10? Let's go! Count with Coco 1 to 10. Come and play and count again. Look, what's that under the tree? It's a red bouncing ball. Let's count it together. 1. Bouncy and fun. Oh, it's 2 buzzing bees. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2. Nice job. Wow, look at those butterflies. So pretty. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Mmm, what a sweet smell. Let's count these blooming flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 of them hopping on lily pads. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. Let's cross the little stream. I'll hop on the stepping stones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, I made it. Whoa, look up, look up. 7 rainbow balloons are floating away. Let's count them before they fly too high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at the puppies playing. There are 8 of them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cute. We're at the beach now. I see 9 shiny shells on the sand. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Night is here, and the sky is full of stars. Let's count 10 twinkling stars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we did it! You're amazing little learner. We counted from 1 to 10. I had so much fun with you today. Let's do it again next time. Bye-bye. Meow. Count with Coco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come and learn and count again.
Like, share and subscribe for more videos.